Hello, my name is Konnor Bursaw. I'm a staff engineer for Dewberry in the Denver, Colorado office. This is my project story. The Southgate Sanitation District, located just south of Denver, had an aging sanitary sewer tunnel that stretched about 1.5 miles long. They hired us to replace or fix the sewer tunnel, but were unsure of the best approach. Working with Garney Construction, our design-build team conducted a series of technical memoranda to devise a strategy to repair the tunnel. Through these technical memoranda, instead of performing a traditional rehabilitation project where we look for a way to repair the inside surface of the tunnel or even drill a new parallel tunnel, which could have taken 2 to 3 years and cost more than $30 million to complete, we determined it would be most time and cost effective to slipline the tunnel, or in other words, pull a new pipe into the tunnel. Because this was a design-build project, we were still in the process of designing our solution when construction started, meaning we were still problem-solving as a new pipe was being pulled into place. The actual pulling of the pipe went relatively smoothly as the pull forces remained low. It turned out that the project's most imposing challenge was to grout the annular space between the pipe and the old tunnel. There were several risks we faced, including the possibility of the tunnel collapsing or water infiltrating the old tunnel. We decided on a low-density cellular grout, which is a form of super lightweight concrete. To the best of my knowledge, this grout had never been used in such a long stretch of tunnel before. We were inclined to attempt the grouting operation in spite of the length due to the limited access points to the tunnel. As we tried to push the grout through the tunnel, air bubbles that make up a large volume of the grout were popping and the volume of the grout was decreasing. Unfortunately, this deterred the grout being placed as intended, so we paused construction, took a step back, and reevaluated. Ultimately, after some careful consideration, we created additional access locations along the tunnel, and to accomplish that, we found a specialty drilling outfit that used lightweight drilling equipment to create the accesses. There was concern about drilling about 80 feet vertically and puncturing the pipe that now sat in the tunnel, but the drillers were able to stop within a foot of the pipe due to their equipment being able to react and shut off in the event of a void space. This drilling technique meant we could safely install the new grout access locations and push in the grout at 500-foot intervals, which made the grouting much more manageable. Sliplining a tunnel at this length has seldom been done before, if at all, and I'm excited to have had the opportunity to be a part of it. As an engineer, it was rewarding to be put in the position where my team and I needed to be creative and do some true out-of-the-box thinking to overcome a wide range of problems that the project presented. There was no AWWA manual for us to fall back on. We only had our experience to guide us. At the end of the day, perhaps the most crucial takeaway is that we delivered the project with minimal interference to the surrounding community and completed it for the client quickly and with minimized costs. The entire project took only 6 months to complete, and outside of one temporary road closing, the public was largely left undisturbed thanks to our sliplining method. I'll carry the journey of this project with me for the rest of my career, and its success has me excited for the next challenge.